Bloodthirsty gulls attack and kill an innocent bird. The gull even devours both the wings and legs of the bird after opening its throat to the maximum. Gulls are ruthless predators that demonstrate their cruelty with their long beaks.
After opening its throat to the maximum. The gull is a ruthless predator that cannot be judged in words. The long beak of gulls, eager and greedy, demonstrates their cruelty.
Number 15, hawks versus snake. A red-tailed hawk catches what appears to be a large gopher snake at the local field. The snake fights back, but it's pointless. The hawk is going to have a delicious breakfast. This red-tailed hawk uses deception to defeat and eat a deadly rattlesnake. It attempts to persuade the snake to strike its wing feathers, exposing the snake's head. The rattler, on the other hand, has a lethal bite that makes it a dangerous meal to catch.
The falcon's speed and hunting skills make it a formidable predator. It swoops in to snatch a duck from another bird, demonstrating its hunting abilities.
Before it can get away with the meal, a peregrine falcon comes and swoops the duck up, stealing the meal completely. Seeing another angle of a peregrine falcon attacking a duck in this clip, we get to see just how incredible its dive is. Its aim is precise, and it grasps onto the duck for a moment before sending it spiraling down to the ground.
In this video, we can see how the falcon uses its talons to grip onto the halberd buster.
Taking it as prey.
It's quite something to look at this closely.
And the goose's
13.
Inability to escape make for a
eagle.
successful hunt.
This video shows a female eagle swooping down on a goose about 400 meters away from the cameraman. The eagle's surprise attack and a goose's inability to fly fast enough makes the hunt almost always successful. The heavy prey is then floated to the nearest bank where it can be harvested. However, even after eating, the goose appears to still be alive, which is cruel and disturbing to us. Afterwards, the prey is disassembled and brought back to the nest, where the eaglets are fed in individual pieces. Many birds benefit from the hunts of the eagle in the form of kite and marsh harriers, as well as ravens and birds of prey like crows.
Yellow-breasted dragons, known for their unique leaf-woven nests, inhabit tropical forests and primarily feed on fruit, insects, and other small prey. In this case, a snake approaches a nest near a tree branch despite the mother bird's efforts to protect it.
While crawling on a tree branch closer to the nest, the snake was discovered by the mother bird. The snake was suddenly attacked, but it didn't seem to care about the weak sounds from the mother bird. It continues to approach the bird's nest, where it thinks it will eat the young or nutritious eggs. They live in tropical forests, including rainforests, swamp forests, and moss forests. Food is mainly fruit, although rifled and sickle-billed species also enjoy eating insects and other arthropods.
White-breasted coots live in swamps, nesting in dry spots among vegetation. They feed on insects, small fish, and plants, often foraging on the ground or in low bushes and trees. They are noisy birds, especially during dawn and dusk.
They mainly eat insects, small fish and seeds. They search on the ground or in low bushes and small trees. Many waterfowl species are very shy birds. White-breasted coots are often seen outside sparsely wooded areas. They are quite noisy birds, especially at dawn and dusk, with loud calls.
Crows and hawks are fierce rivals, engaging in brutal battles. In a backyard, a hawk captures a crow, showing no mercy despite its struggles. Survival instincts drive these confrontations, as seen when a hawk attacks a cuckoo, preventing its escape.
What causes the crow to fall into this pitiful condition? The law of survival does not need a reason. A hawk ruthlessly attacks the cuckoo, plucking every feather from its body. It tried to escape in vain. The guy in black has no compassion.
In this video, squirrel's life hangs in the balance as it faces a skilled Harris hawk. The hawk eventually seizes the opportunity and captures the squirrel midair, highlighting its impressive hunting prowess.
The squirrel in this video wasn't able to do that, consequently paying with its life against this awesome predator. The hawk can snatch the squirrel on the fly, which is quite spectacular. This Harris hawk hunts a squirrel in a tree. The squirrel uses its speed and agility to avoid the hawk, but the bird of prey doesn't quit the hunt. It plans another attack and looks for a way to get to the squirrel. The squirrel runs from tree to tree but makes one move too many, which renders the squirrel vulnerable, and the hawk doesn't miss this rare opportunity.
Crows are highly intelligent birds, and their resourcefulness extends to hunting, as seen in this video. A crow relentlessly attacks a rat, using its sharp beak and persistence to secure its meal. The crow's aggressive behavior demonstrates its hunting skills.
This crow is pecking at an annoyed rat. The attack gets more and more vicious as the rat takes more hits. The crow bites at its flesh with its sharp beak and even pulls at its tail. This next rat actually attempts to fight the crow back. You can tell that this crow is persistent as the rat gives a good fight, yet the crow still tries to eat it. The most gruesome part has to be when the crow pulls at the rat's long tail, dragging it around and even nearly getting it off the ground. The rat in this clip is in a much worse condition than the other rats. This crow gave it quite the beating, and you can see how it bites at the flesh of the rat with aggressive power. It bites at the neck of the dying rat and then eventually picks it up and decides to take it elsewhere.
In this video,
Falcon
peregrine falcon hunts a pheasant and swiftly captures it. The falcon's speed and precision are on full display as it secures its prey. Another scene features the falcon defeating a red-tailed hawk, showcasing its formidable hunting abilities.
The falcon decides to end it then and there. A falcon swoops down like a rocket missile and crashes into a red-tailed hawk, killing it in the process. Falcons are not very big, but man can they deliver a blow like no other bird of prey.
Nightingales are often associated with the UK due to their significant presence there. They are known for their beautiful songs, but are quite elusive, often hiding deep within bushes. In contrast,
hides deep inside bushes. The nightingale's song is considered one of the most beautiful songs in nature, hiding under the sand to camouflage, using tails to pretend to be insects to deceive prey with a lightning-fast bite.
Haringey's adders have yellow rusty skin for camouflage, lying hidden in the sand with only their eyes visible. When prey approaches, they strike swiftly with a venomous bite to capture their meal.
Hiding in the hot sand with only their eyes visible on the top of their heads, they ambush prey that wanders in search of food. When their prey comes close, they will rise from the sand and deliver a venomous bite that kills their prey in the blink of an eye. Just waiting for that, the snake launched a spectacular bite, finishing off the unfortunate animal.
It seems like the seagull had it easy in this video, because all the bird had to do was scoop the rodent off of this rock since it was already dead, or so it seems.